Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Key. Today I'll be telling you about how to make wish chit for manifesting. You can manifest anything from it. So let's see how it is made. You just have to take a square sheet of paper. It can be of white color or of yellow color. All you need to do is write an affirmation which should be in present tense that you have got something, whatever you wanted to achieve. Just write in an affirmative sentence that you have achieved it. And you have to make Reiki symbols. This is power symbol, and this is distance symbol. This is emotional symbol. So basically what we are doing is we are making a Reiki sandwich here. Between the symbol, between the power symbol, we are creating this thing. So that it is a sandwich. It is very powerful. You can use it for many things. So all you have to do is just create it. Draw these symbols. I will also show you how to draw these symbols. Just fold it. And keep it in your hand like this. Daily give Reiki for 5 minutes at least. And you have to make sure that keep it at a safer place. It should not be touchable by anybody. Nobody should know about it. You have to keep it like a secret for yourself and just see the magic. For using these symbols, you need to know Reiki. They are taught in level 2. But I'm also telling you like how to draw these symbols. Before that, just see, this is also something which you can make. You can create it. You can write your affirmation with green pen and draw these symbols with red pen. You can take yellow sheet also. That is amazing thing. Now comes a symbol. So these are the 3 symbols which I have used. This is the power symbol. It is created like a 7 and 3.5 circles. This is emotional symbol. This is distance symbol. So you can just see how to make it. How to draw them properly, I have created a video. I'll share in the description box. Just see them. And if you have done Reiki, you already know how to draw them. So now comes, always use it for things like you can write a certain amount. Like I have written 50,000. Or you can create any affirmation. You can use it for relationship, for home, for your health, anything you can achieve with it. And you can also work on so many wish chits at a time. So I'll be telling you how. So wait for the next video. I'll be telling you how to create a Reiki box with these chits and all, achieve so many things at a time. So just make it, try it. It is a proven way. Many people have got the good results with it. One more thing, that always ask Divine only something which you are working for and you think that it is achievable with you. Never write unlimited or amount to a millionaire, I am a millionaire, I am a billionaire. Write something which is achievable, which you think that you can achieve in some time. Slowly keep increasing. For example, you have written 50,000 right now. After a few months, after achieving this, start the next part. You can write 60, 70, 80. It's all up to you. So start with small, the things which are achievable, then keep increasing them. Thank you.